This is my Audi A1. I bought it brand new and I actually drove it out of the showroom. It's the top of the range and it's the Black edition with sport suspension and these larger 18-inch alloys. The engine is a 1400 TFSI, and I'm told it's the most powerful engine Audi do in a front-wheel drive car. The gearbox is a 7-speed DSG that can be driven in automatic, or it can be driven in manual using the paddles on the steering wheel. The information screen shows the radio or CD or your phone via Bluetooth, and it shows vehicle information and settings. These rear seats are almost like new. They've hardly ever been used. And at the back, we find something that's very rare these days, an actual spare wheel. And under the spare wheel, we find the tools, the battery, the subwoofer, the first aid kit, the air compressor, and the tyre fluid. So that is my Audi A1.